Welcome out, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Thomas Carver. For those of you guys that don't know me, I'm a full-time trader, multiple six-figure entrepreneur here within this space. And, I'm absolutely blessed to be partnered up with this company and these amazing leaders. And tonight we're going to be sharing some awesome information with you. If you guys can, please do me a favor. If you haven't already, go ahead and take this time, set your phone to do not disturb, get to a nice quiet place where you can truly take in all of the information that you're getting ready to see. We're going to try to have you guys out of here in the next 20 minutes. Just keep it super simple, super clean. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, get myself out of the way and go ahead and call up my best friend, my brother, honestly, one of the biggest and best leaders I've ever seen in this space. This guy is always leading from the front, always doing what he can to help the team and leading by example on a daily basis. He knows the system inside and out. Not only is he a professional marketer, but he's also a professional trader. And today he's going to be going through and breaking down some of the amazing tools and resources that we have for you. So without further ado, let me go ahead and call up my brother, my best friend, Ali Saleh. Brother, the floor is all yours.
Thank you so much, Thomas, for that warm introduction. And guys, go ahead and give it back to that legend, Coach Carver, because he's an absolute gentleman and a scholar. And he's been an incredible motivator in this space. And we're just so absolutely lucky to have him part of our organization. And guys, welcome to our amazing presentation. My name is Ali Saleh. And just like Thomas mentioned, he's a multiple six-figure entrepreneur in the space. So am I, and it's been a blessing. And honestly, that could not have been possible if it wasn't for belief in myself and an amazing system and an amazing group of individuals to work with. And I've chosen to partner with some of the most intelligent and some of the most prolific people in the space. And that's allowed me to really grab onto their coattails and really just propel to success. So I'm not going to talk too much about myself right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to respect your time and dive right into this PowerPoint presentation and show everybody here exactly what it is that we're talking about and how every single person here can benefit from this. Okay, so tonight we're going to be talking about a powerhouse opportunity called Economy. This opportunity is going to allow you to make money, to learn how to trade in the financial markets, and it's going to show you how to multiply the money that you make and how to save it as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is our cash flow quadrant. As we all know, the gentleman to the left is one of the most iconic individuals in the space. His name is Robert Kiyosaki, and he's one of the most prolific authors in the world. And he wrote in his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, about something called the cash flow quadrant, right? This is the 4 ways to essentially make money. You have 5% of the world that is leveraging their time for money. These people are individuals who are employees or they're self-employed. Maybe you're subcontracted. Who knows? At the end of the day, you're taking your precious time, a commodity that you cannot, right, get back once you spend it, right? But what it is you're spending that time to make a little bit of money, right? And oftentimes the 95% of the world that's trading their time for money are people who are kind of unhappy. Maybe they feel like, they should have more in their life or that they deserve more, right? If you feel like you deserve more, you feel like you should have more opportunity in your life, go ahead and give me a 1 in the chat box, because every single one of you should be dropping a 1 in the chat box. Now let's talk about 5% of the world, right? 5% of the world holds 95% of the money. Why is that? Because these are individuals who are leveraging their money and their skill sets for what? For their time. They're saying, you know what? My time is so valuable. I'm going to take my money and I'm going to be smart and I'm going to invest it as a business owner or as an investor making passive income every single day. And I want to go ahead and be part of the 5% of the world that's actually leveraging my money for my time. Right? And that's exactly what this opportunity allows you to do, is to get on the right side of the cash flow quadrant. Now, we have an amazing founder and CEO of this platform. His name is Hassan Mahmoud, one of the most intelligent, kind-hearted family men I've ever met in my life. And he's so genuine. And we had a chance to spend a lot of time with him in Vegas when we went to go out to visit him. Thomas, myself, and a few other leaders, Carlos and Carla, were out there, and it was incredible. We met Michael Talento and we met his wife, Candace, and it was absolutely incredible. But what we learned is that these individuals are not looking to wine and dine us. They're keeping it real with us. And they opened up their home to us for over 3 days while we just masterminded, and we got to connect with them on a level that I haven't been able to connect with the CEO in this space just yet. But he is a financial expert. He's done multiple 9 figures in global sales. He's spoken and trained in over 62 different countries, and he's helped thousands, tens of thousands of people worldwide learn the power of passive income. And as you can see here, he's been listed on some of the most iconic magazines in the world: MSNBC, CBS, and Entrepreneur Magazine. These are all iconic outlets. And what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to tackle the financial markets through Forex, crypto, and stocks, right? Now, let's talk about Forex. Some of you might not know what the Forex market is, but this is the largest financial market in the world where you can buy and sell currencies, okay? Imagine I go from the United States to, let's just say, London. When I go to London, I have to take my US dollars and I have to exchange it for the pound. What we do as traders is we trade the price of that exchange in real time digitally directly from our smartphones, allowing us to tap into a $6.7 trillion market space. And it's a global market, and anybody in the world can trade it as long as you have a smartphone. My mentor tells me all the time, if you're not using your smartphone to make money, now you have a dumb phone, right? Somebody who's digging for gold does not put themselves in a position to concern themselves with the price of the shovel, right? You're digging for gold. This is an opportunity for you to be part of a market that operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And some of the biggest players in the financial markets, in the Forex market, are, you believe it or not, JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America are the #1 and the #2 traders in the Forex market. When I learned that JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America were the #1 and #2 traders in this market, I knew I had to get in because I was sick and tired of getting less than 1% back on my savings account while they're using all of my money, all of our hard-earned money to make hundreds of millions of dollars a day in the Forex market. And I was completely disgusted by it, and I had to learn the system, okay? So now we've talked about this amazing market and how are we going to get you in a position where you can actually learn the skill set. Introducing to you our Iconic Economy Calibrate Academy, also known as ECA. This is the most prolific and the most advanced and honestly the cleanest education platform I've seen in this space, with some of the most cutting edge design when it comes to the actual production value of the videos that you're watching. Everything is gamified and it's so easy to navigate. But these videos in the training academy are going to teach you how to learn Forex fundamentals and technical analysis as you get training from successful 6- and 7-figure traders who are going to teach you the skill set, and they're going to show you exactly what you need to do to be profitable in these markets while you get live weekly Q&A analysis. And already we're available in English, Spanish, and Arabic. Nepalese is loading as we speak. We're looking for French traders and so many different languages. We're about to take over the entire global economic platforms when it comes to what we're doing. And you're going to see why, because you're going to be blown away as we continue to move forward in this presentation. So let's talk about an amazing tool called Eminus. Eminus is designed to help you as a busy individual go to work, take care of your family, but still put yourself in a position to profit in the markets. And you might be asking yourself, well, how can I do that? We're going to send dedicated alerts directly to your phone that are going to allow you to get in and out of the financial markets. You're essentially copying and pasting these trade alerts and potentially profiting with some of the most prolific traders with amazing results. Every trader has to be over 82% accurate if they want to be part of this platform. And that's individually. I'm not talking about overall numbers. It's not like we have one trader who's 100% accurate and somebody who's 10% accurate. No, each trader individually has to be over 82% accurate in order to be on this platform. Our AI powered alerts technology, I am loving Manara. I'm using it right now, and it's completely changed the game for me because I get these notifications directly to my Telegram with analysis, and I've chosen the analysis that I want to see. And every time there's a trade opportunity, it lets me know, and I can enter that trade exactly how I want to. And it's absolutely incredible. This will help you save time because it scans the markets for you with the most dynamic AI technology for Forex, stocks, and commodities. And the beautiful thing about this is it's proprietary to Economy, so nobody else has the system the way we have it set up. So you'll be able to copy and paste these alerts directly to profit as well, which is super exciting. Now, I'm a big fan of crypto. This is how I got into the space. In 2016, I was introduced into the digital asset space, and I was completely blown away. And back then, nobody really knew what crypto was, but I was so excited to get into the space, and I made a lot of money. The beautiful thing about the crypto market, as you can see today, tonight, right now, as we're on this call, Bitcoin just broke its all-time high, over $64,000 per Bitcoin. I remember when Bitcoin was $200 when I first heard about it, and $4,000 when I first took it seriously. So just imagine where this asset's going to be 5-10 years from today. It broke an over $2 trillion market cap. This is incredible. Now, what we've done is we've come up with a tool called Hercules that's going to help you get in and out of the financial markets through a buy and hold strategy the ultimate dollar cost average strategy that leverages artificial intelligence to make investing in cryptocurrency easy and seamless and fun for every single person, regardless of your level of understanding of the market. It's simply going to tell you when to buy. It's going to say, hey, Ali, today you're going to buy $32 worth of Ethereum. Today you're going to buy $80 worth of Ethereum, all based off of your budget and how much you want to invest in every token. Drop a 1 in the chat if that does not sound like the most powerful tool in the crypto space. Above and beyond that, we're going to teach you exactly how you guys can penetrate these markets, earn crypto, because crypto is at a point right now where it's about to be adopted by the masses. Anything that's about to hit mass adoption deserves your attention. And I'm being serious about this. Think about the .com era when it was around 130, 140 million users. That's where crypto is today. Look at the World Wide Web today. You have Internet of Things, so many different things advanced from that specific place. It's just incredible. I'm excited for this tool. I use it every single day, and so many users are happy with this amazing tool. And not to mention the education that you get is absolutely incredible. Now, for our users outside of the United States, we have an amazing system called Athena. She's fierce, she's amazing, and this is a proprietary algorithmic software that literally allows you to make money hands-free. I'm serious. You literally set it and forget it. This system will scan and analyze the markets and the currency pairs and find trading opportunities, buy and sell opportunities for you in the Forex market, regardless whether you're present or not. It connects to a VPS that's directly in your back office, so you don't even have to get confused about going anywhere else. And it's going to take the trades for you, all hands free, and is designed to go ahead and put you in a position where it's conserving. It's actually going to take a look at your balance and say, okay, we want to make sure that this individual doesn't lose money. It's going to have your balance in mind as it trades. And as you can see here, this actual EA is doing extremely well. And as I said, this is available for our users outside of the United States. You need at least a minimum of $1,000 deposited in a trading account. But listen, let me tell you something. If you can grow this 2% a week, 5% a week, 1% a week, it's better than leaving your money in a savings account that gets you less than 0.5% per month. This is powerful, and I love this tool. We've been test driving it. It's absolutely incredible. And another thing that we can actually take advantage of is our crypto wallet called CoinZoom. Now, CoinZoom is one of the most iconic crypto wallets in the world. One of the reasons why I love the integration with CoinZoom and Economy is because it allows individuals to send money peer-to-peer with no fees. Easily spend your earnings and crypto balances at over 53 million different merchants, earn up to 5% cash back on your spending. And the beautiful thing about this is for all my international people who struggle to pull their commissions out of their wallet, guess what? It's automatically going to push straight to your CoinZoom wallet. You don't even have to request your funds on payday, and that money hits your crypto wallet, and you can have access to it, transfer it to your bank account, throw it in another exchange. At the end of the day, the money is yours. This is a very, very powerful tool. And what I want to do real quick is I want to go ahead and get myself out of the way real quick. And I want to bring up an individual who, has made some significant strides in the space, and they provided so much value within our community and our ecosystem. And this individual has not only crushed multiple six-figure ranks in different organizations, but he's truly learned to adapt to what it takes to be an amazing trader. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself out of the way and bring up everybody's brother and everybody's best friend, Nicholas Lau. My brother, the floor is yours. Go ahead and give us your quick 60-second testimony.
Thank you. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for everything you and Thomas do. So about a year ago, somebody had told me about Forex. I didn't even know what trading was. He ended up being my sponsor in a different platform and one of my really good friends now. And it really aligned well for me because everybody knows that the past year has been really rough going through the pandemic, among many other things. And when I looked at trading, it gave me something to do while I was at home. But not only that, it gave me something to share with the world. And that's what we have right here. What we have is a global business. And I tell this to everybody that Forex trading to the financial industry is like what soccer is to sports. It's something that can be played everywhere. Once you learn it, it can be your remote business. You can take it on vacation with you. You can take it on the bus with you. You can do it at school, in the movies. I mean, just a couple of months ago, I was flying and I'm taking trades in the air. So the thing I want to tell you all is don't assume that you can't do anything. The tools we have here are newbie friendly. We're here to take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced. We have all of the infrastructure in place. We have the technology in place. We have the coaching in place. It's all about you taking a risk on yourself, taking a chance on yourself. If you can do it just like I did it, the sky is the limit for what this business can do for you. All right. Thank you very much, Ali. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much for that testimony. Thank you so much for that testimonial, Nicholas. I really appreciate it. And the one thing I love about Nick is he's always true and genuine, and that's something that means a lot to me. But let's go ahead and take a look at, how do we get started? A lot of people, you guys just heard Nicholas's, testimonial. He's been in this industry for a little bit over a year, and he's been able to generate multiple six figures while doing this, right? And what's so incredible about that is it's really not, it's not what you think. Most people think to be involved in a program like this is going to cost you $1,500, $2,500. Or you're going to have to borrow the money from somewhere. You're going to have to get out a loan. No, literally our top package, which gives you everything, including the automated trading, CoinZoom, Hercules, Manara, all the trade alerts through Eminus and the Academy, it's going to cost you $235 to start, $149 a month. And that's for everybody outside of the United States. And then also for every single customer that wants to be a part of Economy can choose our Elite Pack, get started for $149 today and $99 a month. One thing I will tell you is you should never let a two-figure decision hold you back from the potential of a six-figure income. You have to realize how powerful that is. Think about it. In March of 2020, I made a decision to go all in on this space, and I paid right around the same dollar amount to get started. And I was able to generate an income of over $50,000 a month. Past profits do not depict future results, but I was also able to learn a lifelong skill set that'll pay me for life, regardless of what's going on in the economy. Right now, there's so much going on in the world right now with our Congress and other people raising our debt limits and talking about what's going to happen to our economical future. But none of that phases me because I've learned the skill set. And there's some amazing people on this call right now who have learned the skill set, and they've been teaching people in the thousands this skill set, and they've been amazing at it. So guys, these are your price points. This is how you get in. Now, let's say you get into this and you're like, you know what? I really like this, but I want to start trading with a couple of my friends, right? And look, doing this by yourself is fun, but having a couple people do this with you, or a lot of people do this with you, makes it 10 times more fun. You have an opportunity to come in here and bring 3 friends to the Economy platform and have a free membership. That's right. Your $99 a month or your $145 a month would be waived once you refer 3 customers to this program. And guess what? You don't have to pay anything extra to get a free membership. You just have to bring 3 people in. There's no such thing as the IBO or anything like that. If you want your 3 in free, just remain a customer, bring 3 friends, and guess what? You got a free membership. And who doesn't like free, right? But let's say you're like me. Let's say you're very ambitious and you're somebody who's super hungry, you're a go-getter, and you truly want to impact thousands of lives, right? You want to duplicate the process and you say, you know what? I want to pay $29 one time and $15 a month to be part of Share Economy. And I want to be licensed to promote this opportunity on social media, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Over 2 billion people are using social media at any given moment. Having said that, there's no shortage of people who want to change their life, just like how you're on this Zoom right now and you want to change your life. So let's talk about how you could change your life by changing other people's lives. This is the most iconic compensation plan I've ever seen. A lot of people have dealt with compensation plans that give you 3 legs, 6 legs, 5 legs, or 2 legs, and maybe the 2 legs, the volume flushes, who knows? With this compensation plan, you don't have to worry about volume flushes. You don't have to worry about the 3rd leg. You don't have to worry about any gotchas or gimmies or, hey, you didn't earn it, because guess what? You need 20 people under you ranked at this level in order for you to qualify. Guys, this is pure volume. This is pure momentum. Let's talk about the first rank, and it's the most powerful rank in my opinion, because once you decide to become an IBO and to be part of Share Economy, those 3 customers that you brought in that gave you a free membership, now it's giving you $100. But guess what? For every customer that you bring in, you also get a $50 fast start bonus. Now let's do some quick math. When you bring 3 people in and you're an IBO, that means you make $250 that month. You make $250 for introducing this opportunity for 3 people who are personally referred by you. Where have you ever seen an opportunity where you could bring in 3 customers, 3 guests, and change 3 people's lives and make $250? Let's take it one step further. Let's say you want to make $500 a month at the rank of influencer 500. All you need is 10 people on your left leg, 10 people on your right leg, and that's $500 a month. Now, let me talk to you about your left leg, right? Let's talk about this leg right here. This entire leg could be all spillover. This could be a massive power leg of people just building and building and building, and it could be 100% spillover, and you only need one personal referral on this side. Okay. So as we get through all the way through the rank of Prodigy 3000, that's $3,000 a month, $750 a week, and we get paid weekly. You don't even have to request your money. It automatically hits your CoinZoom wallet. That is insane. How many people have forgot to withdraw their funds and had to wait another week because their internal wallet doesn't let them withdraw money unless it's in a small little window, right? Think about that. That's another gimme or a gotcha. You don't have to worry about that here. 75 on your left, 75 on your right. That puts you in a position to make this. Now, this entire leg right here, you could have one personal referral on the left. You could have two on the right. And guess what? Now you're making $3,000 a month. Now, when we go to Prodigy 5000, it's 200 on your left, 200 on your right. Mind you, the whole entire left side could be all spillover. All you have to do is just add one more personal referral, and you can put that personal referral everywhere. There's no requirements that has to be in your left leg or your right leg or above your head or in the drawer, right? None of that stuff is happening here. This type of compensation plan allows you to breed success within success because you don't have to worry about those gotchas, those volume flushes. It just allows you to create duplication over duplication over duplication at an amazing price point. Let's talk about a hefty rank here, guys. Who here wants to make $50,000 a month showing this opportunity at Icon 50? You just have to have 4,000 people in your network, 2,000 on left, 2,000 on right, and that's going to pay you $50,000 a month, $12,500 per week. Now, I want you to understand that the power of that type of income changes your life. It changed my life, right? Now, let's take a look at the rank of Mogul 100. That's $100,000 a month, $4,500 on the left, $4,500 on your right, creating massive duplication and changing thousands upon thousands upon thousands of lives. And please don't forget it. Every single person you personally referred, you're still getting $50 for that person. So if you're somebody who knows how to recruit on YouTube or on Instagram or Facebook, or you can get a couple hundred people to do this, think about that. Think of the number of people that you could bring in. If you could bring in 30 people, do 30 times 50. Think about how much that just fast start bonus could change your life, plus the residuals. And there's also one-time bonuses that you get after the rank of Icon 9. So imagine you hit this rank, boom, you get a one-time bonus of $9,000. Boom, you get one-time bonuses after you hit this rank, and it keeps going, and it's insane. It's insane. I love this compensation plan. I'm really excited for it. But listen, our group of individuals is very focused on helping our customers learn the skill set, making sure you can actually learn the skill set and trade and make money with these alerts and use these tools so you can actually learn the skill set. This is not one of those groups where all we talk about is build it. No. We want you to trade. We want you to learn the skill set, but we also want you to go ahead and learn this as well and break down this compensation plan, change your life, and change the lives of thousands of people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and thank each and every single one of you for your time. And I'm going to go ahead and get myself out of the way. And I'm going to bring up an individual who has completely made some incredible moves in the space, somebody who's been an entrepreneur for an overwhelming majority of his life, somebody who has impacted thousands upon thousands upon thousands of lives, and somebody who I just had a chance to break bread with when I was in Vegas just last week. And he's an incredible human being, and him and his wife are some amazing builders, and they've done some amazing things in this space. And not to mention, Carlos is a savage trader. And I'm so excited to bring up the man, the myth, the legend himself, Carlos Wiley. Brother, the floor is yours. Go ahead and close this thing out for us.
Thank you so much, Ali. And guys, I am super, super, super pumped, just like I was the first day that I saw this. We have amazing products. We have a stellar compensation plan for those of you that want to share this wonderful compensation with others. Be commissioned properly, as I said in the chat. You guys, this is something that is going to blow the charts all over the world. I've been a part of many platforms before, but this one here is just a little bit more special to my wife and I. Not because we know the owners, not because we're top leaders in the industry, but more importantly, because we want to put you guys in position to finally win. That's exactly where we are right now, ladies and gentlemen. We want people to win, and we want people to be successful on this level, okay? Not just with sharing the wonderful opportunity, but using these wonderful products. We've had these products for a while now, and right now, you actually can use these products for free. You can use these products all the way until October 22nd, all right, without spending a dime. On October 23rd, we go live. Ladies and gentlemen, we go live where you're going to be able to be positioned in this wonderful company. And whoever invited you, you probably want to give them a big hug, because we are taking this not just world local here and nationwide, but we're going global. So we're counting on people like you to be successful superstars and share this wonderful opportunity. Guys, right now we want to thank each and every one of the speakers that came on. These guys are fantastic. I had an opportunity to, yes, break bread with them in Las Vegas. And that's only a scratch of the surface of what we're going to do. But we're looking for people like you that have great skills and you just want to win. And with that being said, guys, you want to get back to the person that invited you and tell them, hey, listen, I saw these guys, they were presenting in nice suits, and they gave a very comprehensive compensation plan and product demonstration on this wonderful company. I want in. So if that is you, get back to the person that invited you and tell them, I want to win with Economy. All right. And we'll see you guys at the top, not at the bottom. All right. Thank you guys for allowing me to speak. I'm going to turn it back over to you. You guys, let's get this year cranking. We still got time, guys. All right. Have a fantastic day, and we'll see you guys again on our next webinar. Thank you, guys.